Kids Storybooks. Subscribe. A Clever Fish. Once upon a time, in the sparkling blue waters of Coral Cove, there lived a little fish named Finley. Finley was not the fastest swimmer or the brightest colored fish, but what he lacked in speed and color, he made up for with his cleverness. One day, a group of mischievous crabs decided to play a prank on the other fish in the cove. They stole all the shiny pebbles that the fish used to decorate their homes. The fish were upset and didn't know what to do, but Finley had a plan. He swam over to the crabs and said, "Dear crabs, why not have a contest to see who can build the tallest tower using these pebbles? The winner gets a special shiny seashell." The crabs loved a good competition, so they agreed. As they busily stacked the pebbles, Finley quietly gathered the stolen shiny pebbles and returned them to the fish. When the tower building contest was over, the crabs were too busy celebrating to notice that the pebbles were gone. The fish were delighted to find their shiny treasures back. From that day on, Finley's cleverness made him a hero in Coral Cove, and the other fish realized that sometimes brains were more important than brawn. And so, Finley, the clever little fish, swam happily through the sparkling blue waters, always ready to outsmart any challenge that came his way.